Hello, welcome to Fogg. I'm Ben Fogg, and we're going to take a few minutes and go through this F4 248. The first two numbers of a Fogg filler generally designate the number of valves in the filler, and the last digit or two digits are the number of capping heads. So what you see back here is what Fogg calls the CIP trough area. This machine is Dairy 3A certified, so it has some unique features and benefits that the traditional Fogg filler may or may not have included depending on your scope. This machine is all sloped. The area that's protected to recover your CIP is not exposed to any potential drips or contaminations. When you're done in the CIP, not only does the filler clean itself, but then a separate zone comes on and cleans the CIP system after it's done cleaning the filler. So it's rinsed properly and ready to go for your next application. In the Dairy 3A space, we offer a 3A Dairy approved flexible hose on the product supply from the bulk manifold here over to your filler tank, or we offer a hard plumbing with joints that are able to slip. Fogg has been a certified 3A manufacturer of dairy fillers for several years now. We've always built to a 3A standard. We've always sought to meet or exceed the 3A standard. But we went through the process 3 to 5 years ago of getting the badge of approval from 3A